We cut across to breaking news coming in on Friday midnight. The Dussehra procession, which took place at Devragattu Mala Malleshwar Swami in Holagunda Mandal of Kurnool district, near about 45 people were injured in the violence which broke out during the festival, as is being reported. According to police officials, it is said that nearly 45 people were injured in the ancient traditional fight among villagers in the Banni fight in Kurnool, Andhra Pradesh. The injured have been rushed to a hospital in Adoni. Aneri is joining us live on the broadcast. Aneri, we stay with these pictures, but take us through this tradition. And 45 have been injured. That is certainly not good news. What's the condition now?
Well, that's right, Suesha. The incident which has taken place on Friday night, well, this is an ages-old tradition which has been followed in the state of Andhra Pradesh, where there's a stick fight which takes place between various people, various communities at this particular place in Kurnool district of Andhra Pradesh, where this goes on every year. And now this time we see that there were near about 45 people who have been injured, and all the injured have been shifted to the hospital for immediate treatment. And also at the same time, the police officials have been stating that there is no one who is critical, but yes, the injured have been shifted to the hospital for further treatment, as this is an ages-old, ancient-old tradition which is being followed on the eve of Dussehra, where there are people who do the stick fight between various communities. This stick fight takes place at the Mallaswamy temple in Kurnool district of Andhra Pradesh. And now that, as you can see, very strong visuals coming from Kurnool district, where a massive gathering has taken place on the eve of Dussehra. On Friday midnight, this procession took place on the eve of Dussehra, and during the violence, during the tradition which was being followed, the ages-old tradition which is being followed, later which moved into a violence erupted between both various communities, and so near about 45 people have been injured. And later all the police officials intervened into the matter, and later the situation was brought into control, and later all these people who were injured during this procession were shifted to the hospital in Adoni. And also the police officials clearly state that no one is critical, but yes, the injured have been undergoing treatment at the hospital, as it's an ages-old tradition which is being followed every year on the eve of Dussehra.
All right, Aneri, stay on with us. Let's take a closer look at this video, after which I come back to you.